Simple, straightforward affiliate marketing techniques and suggestions. You want the truth about affiliate marketing, not just what some random person has said on the internet. There are scores of self-proclaimed experts out there, but you need to know the correct information and be assured that it is legitimate. You will most likely find exactly what you are looking for in this video. One thing to beware of with affiliate marketing programs is alienating your customers. Make sure that the products and services offered by your affiliates are ethical and offer good value for customers' money. Nothing will poison the opinion of a visitor to your website faster than directing him or her to a scam. Conversely, helping a visitor find a product he or she is interested in can make them appreciate your site. If you are operating a web business that is providing local services, then you need to start out seeking local sponsorship and traffic rather than wider exposure. Check out the local Chamber of Commerce and local business directories in order to find great listing opportunities. Nothing is better for your search engine rankings than for people to search for your site by name. When you are pitching your product to a client, elaborate on what the product can do for them, instead of the actual design or functionality. Creating a more personal connection with the client can help them understand the value in putting money into your company, which will improve your business relationship. Creating ebooks or viral reports is a great way to build up a strong base as an affiliate marketer. The more information you're willing to offer on any product or service, the more legitimate you will appear in the eyes of a potential customer. As long as you're willing to invest the time here, you can get great results. In summary, you want to be careful who you take advice from, in regards to affiliate marketing. It is important to you that you have the correct information and that it is portrayed in a clear and concise manner. Hopefully, the tips provided in this video will be more than useful for you. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.